Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a day in my life vlog style video. So I don't have too much to do today. I already did my skincare routine. I have to finish doing my taxes. I hate doing taxes. I missed the days when I actually got money back. I started my taxes yesterday, so I'm going to try and finish it today. I have a video to film, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna kind of see how the day goes. Obviously, I'm not really going anywhere because trying not to go out too much. I do not want to catch the coronavirus or any virus for that matter. Maybe I'll do a little cleaning later. I'm not really sure. I probably won't. My room started to get a little messy. Not too bad, but a little messy. I think I might do a little bit of makeup, but honestly, I just don't feel like wearing makeup today. I might just do my eyebrows and that's it. I haven't done my eyebrows in so long, so I have no idea how this is gonna come out, but hopefully it looks decent. This spoolie, it's really rough. It hurts. I know my skin's really sensitive, but it's making my eyebrows so red. Alright, so the makeup is done. I'm not gonna set anything. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I already have some lip gloss on. I think this is good enough. I mean, my eyebrows look crazy, but it is what it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna quickly film a portion of the video that I'm working on so you guys can see the behind the scenes of how all that works. Wing or flat?
Flat.
I love flats.
Alright, so give me a wing.
I'm just kidding. I'll take a wing from you.
Alright, so but I want a wing.
Huh? No.
I want a wing.
No, AJ.
I really do.
No, you don't. It's fine.
I don't like flats.
I was just saying that.
I'm dead serious. I don't like flats. I just took flats because I thought you didn't like flats.
Are you lying?
No, I'm dead serious.
Oh my goodness, you're so annoying.
Thank you.
Well, I'll take this. I just got done filming. I still have a few more things I need to do for that video. I may do it later on or maybe tomorrow. But right now, I'm just going to work on my taxes because I really, really need to get that done. Taking way longer than it should because I didn't track my expenses throughout the entire year. So I have to go through all my different things trying to figure out everything, and it's just very frustrating. Did you just ask me if I'm vlogging?
No, I said what you bought.
Yeah, what I bought. I'm just so stressed out. Like, my laptop is closed. I feel like I'm done for today. I just don't want to do it anymore. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. My eyelashes look crazy. Oh my gosh. You should see it from this angle. Like, my eyelashes look insane. Oh god. Ooh, freak. Oh my goodness. I just ripped out a chunk of eyelash. Yeah, because I was trying to fix them. I know you're not supposed to. Whatever. So I just did my skincare routine. I ended up not filing my taxes, though I did finish them because I don't know if I'm being cheap, but the total came out to $170, and I just feel like I might as well at this point just hire a CPA, because I read that CPAs can like do your taxes for you for like $100 to $200, or maybe a little bit more, like $275. I'm not really sure. I have until the 15th of April, so I'm not really in a big rush. But I think I am going to tidy up my room a little bit before I go to bed. Like I said before, I'm trying to form good habits, and my room is like a little messy right now. So I'm just gonna pick up a few items, change into my night clothes, and go to sleep. Because I'm so tired. Actually, I think I might do a little bit of editing, then go to sleep. I cannot get this scrunchie out of my hair. Oh my goodness. So I think I'm just going to head to bed. Definitely not gonna edit tonight, but my room looks really good. Well, not really good, but it looks kind of good. Better than before. My floor is clear. I mean, I do have all these bags. These are filled with like cleaning supplies and candy, because I give candy to the kids on Sunday for Sunday school. I need to organize that. And I just have like other stuff here, but for the most part, it looks pretty good for right now. So I'm just gonna put on my scarf and head to bed. It is really late and I really should be going to sleep. If you guys want to see more day in my life, week in my life videos, definitely let me know and I will do them for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.